Hello guys! So try natin sagutan itong ating CSE review for today. What is the perimeter of the rectangle with a length of 9 cm and a width of 17 cm? So our review for today is all about finding the perimeter of a rectangle given its length and width. Okay? So, ano nga ba yung ating formula on finding or for computing the perimeter of a rectangle? So the perimeter of a rectangle is given by the formula 2 length plus 2 width. Okay? So, mapapansin nyo sa ating formula, we need yung length and width ng ating rectangle in order to find its perimeter. And sa ating problem, given naman na kung ano yung length and width. So, all we need to do is to plug in our values. So, we have 2. And then, what is our length? So, length is sinabi, length 9 cm daw. Plus, copy uli natin yung 2, yung width naman. So, width naman daw is 17 cm. Ngayon, all we need to do is to simplify this expression. So, first, m das tayo. So, basically, ito muna mga multiplication. Okay? So, we have 2 times 9, that is 18 cm plus may multiplication pa tayo dito, itong 2 times 17, which is 34 cm. Then finally, dito na lang natin lagay. So we have 18 plus 34, which is equals to 52. And then copy natin yung unit na centimeter. So our answer is 52 cm, which is letter B. So for our next question, kindly comment down your answers sa ating chat box and let's see if naintindihan nyo yung ating review for today. And that's it for our review for today. I hope may natutunan kayo and maraming salamat sa panonood.